Today we're going to talk about multiplying integers. And specifically, we have these rules. We know a positive times a positive equals a positive. A negative times a positive is a negative. Positive times a negative is a negative. And then two negatives multiplied is a positive. But the question is, why is a negative times a positive and a negative and so forth? I'll just show for this one why it works. Well, it goes back to, let's consider 3 times 4. So if we consider 3 times 4, we go back to the definition of multiplication. Definition of multiplication is repeated addition. So we could think of this as we add 3 4 times. And when we do that, we get positive 12. And similarly, now let's look at negative 3 times 4. Well, similar to what we just did here, this we could think of as adding negative 3 4 times. So this is negative 3 plus negative 3 plus negative 3 plus negative 3. And as we did in the previous video, when you add a bunch of negatives, we get another negative, and this is equal to negative 12. But this kind of shows us why a negative times a positive is a negative, and similarly for a positive times a negative, and then two negatives multiplied.